Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. Today, I'm live here to give you a little bit of a sneak preview. I want to show you some resources that you can use. If you're familiar with my YouTube videos or my Facebook page, you may also like to look more at our YouTube channel and our website, speechmodification.com. I often talk about my free and inexpensive online courses that you can use, and I have a lot of free resources on my website as well and on our YouTube channel. So let's take a quick look. Here on our YouTube channel, on the home page, you can see what's coming up. So uploads, recent videos that I've added. You can also see some playlists. So we have topics including vowel sounds, all of the sounds of English. You can check out our full Word of the Day series, which has, we cover pronunciation for all of the words you've been requesting. There's hundreds and hundreds of videos there. One thing to notice or to note is that if you're looking for a particular video, if you're on our channel on your laptop, I don't think it works on your phone, but if you see here there's this search box, I can click on that and I can type in my word or my sound, anything that I'm looking for. So for example, maybe I want to know how to pronounce the word important. I've been struggling with that. I can type it into that search box and then it's going to show me related videos. So here's one about how to pronounce important, finding important words, and another video for other words similar to important. So this search box is a great tool to find what you're looking for. The other feature that I have on YouTube is that if you leave a comment on any of my videos, I will go and find related information, answer your question, and tell you what you're looking for. So that's a great way, regardless of what video you're on as you're watching, if you have a comment or a question, go ahead and leave that comment there, and I check every single comment. So it's a great way also on Facebook to let me know what questions you have, what other words you'd like to see me cover, and if you're looking for something, often I've already covered that concept or that word, and I can direct you to free resources for you. So you can see here on our homepage that we have our playlists. These are a good way to go through if you're looking to learn more about intonation, American R specifically, the TH sound, walking through lots of different videos related to that topic. We also offer channel memberships, and our members-only videos are here and available. So we have live classes for members as well as challenge series just for channel members. For channel membership, you can click the join button and it'll show you information, a video regarding what perks you can get as a channel member, the rates for your different options. So that's a great way to support the channel as well and to get some additional perks. You can also see on the homepage our most popular uploads. So videos that have the most views. That's a good way to see, oh, okay, yeah, maybe I also struggle with the word rural, or I didn't realize there was something challenging about the word singer. Am I saying that word correctly? So it's a great way to explore what lots of people are looking at and having questions about that you may also find challenging. You can see all of our upcoming live streams, when they will be and how to join. And if I click on that upcoming live stream, it's going to show me when it's live. Sometimes there's a sneak preview. So for this video, you can watch a video that will be related to the topic for that live stream. And I can see it'll be coming up. And when I want to join that live class, I type my questions here in the chat and I will answer those for you live. So our live streams are every Saturday at 9 o'clock Seattle time, 12 o'clock Eastern time, and you can see the time here. It'll show you in your time zone. If that's something that's not at a great time for you, you can always watch the replay, leave questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you with answers and resources. So if we look at past live streams, for example, we can see yesterday's live stream, and I can go in here and I can see exactly what happened in the video. So I can look for, oh, I'm curious about how to pronounce tumultuous or velveteen. I can go directly to those resources. I can also leave my questions here in a comment or my requests, and those will be added to my list. So that's a great resource. I can see what questions got asked during the live stream and follow along with the lesson. So that's here in the past live streams area. Then we also have some series, some training series. These are absolutely free. You can take our 30-day challenge. You can look at our Say This, Not That challenge, which has very short 30-second videos about common everyday errors that many non-native speakers make. We have some specific playlists for certain languages, and we also have shorts. Our short videos are all under 1 minute, and these typically cover one topic or one word. You can look at a lot of information there. Another place to see our videos, of course, is on our videos page, and this is, again, organized in different playlists and more recent information. We have our playlists, all playlists here, and then we have our community page on the channel, and the community page is a great resource to see what new shorts are happening, sneak previews. We can see there are polls and quizzes where you can test your information, usually related to our word of the day topics, and sometimes also just polls and quizzes about feedback for the channel, what you'd like to see, etc. You can get more information about membership here on the membership page. We also have a very robust website that has free practice materials. It has information about our online courses, about one-on-one training and group and corporate training that we provide. And you can get some information and feedback about what other people have learned and how they use speech modification. We do offer free practice materials as well. So we have online practice that has lessons and videos. And again, there is a search box here. So perhaps I'm looking for help with the TH sound, for example. I can type that into my search box and all kinds of related information will come up. Lessons about American TH, things like using TH in words like fifth and sixth. There's usually videos, as well as there are audio practice materials and written lessons that you can use. So these are some great resources here in the free practice area on our website. We also have a blog with some additional information that's all free. You can take a look at our offerings in our store. So we have many free downloads that you can look at. In our free downloads area, you can see information about overviews of accent. So you can learn about what error patterns you might have based on your native language. You can also download our free ebook. That's a way to get started with American accent training, some other quick tips and resources. You can also go in our store. You can learn about our one-on-one training, and then we also offer online courses. So our online courses are either free or available for under $2. These courses are a great resource for improving your pronunciation and accent. Some places to get started, our Sounds of English course walks you through all the different sounds of English. So it's a really good one for fundamentals to help you be able to pronounce any word you want in American English by learning the sounds, accent error patterns, and building up from the ground up. We also have our 6-week course, which is more focused on developing the American accent, reducing accent error patterns you have from your native language, walking you through step-by-step how to improve your speech overall. Our Word of the Day course is a free course that's a compilation of our most popular Word of the Day videos. So it's something you can do kind of ease your way into understanding pronunciation and working on specific words. It also has definitions for the words, so if you want to improve your vocabulary, that's an option as well. So that course is free. We also have a free mini course. This course walks you through some of the basic steps of American accent and gives you a sneak preview of some of the other courses. And as you can see, there's other additional courses. We have our advanced course for Real Talk. This is a fluent speakers course, helping you get a lot of the little details. If we go into some of the courses, I definitely suggest many of you check out the Sounds of English course, because you can go through, learn about consonant sounds and vowel sounds, and looking at, for example, letters versus sounds. There will be lessons and videos, information to help you see that visually in each lesson. You can see, we can go through and look at many different lessons for the R sound. That's a challenging sound for a lot of people. We also have all of our vowel sounds, so you can learn about not just the vowel sounds, but how to understand and use all of the different vowel sounds. You can select what you need specifically, or you can go and get more general information here in this course. So that course is our Sounds of English course. You also will probably enjoy our American Accent 6-week course. Those are the two courses that are really the great ones to begin with, and then you can explore further with some more of our courses. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. Everything on the YouTube channel is absolutely free, and they're wonderful resources. You can find what you're looking for in our search box here on YouTube, also on our website. We have our free practice area with our search box, and leave me a comment or a question on any of our videos, and I'll direct you to where you can find the resources that you're looking for. Just wanted to give you an opportunity to see what else you can find besides just our simple videos. We do have many resources and lessons for you available on our website and on our channel. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of speechmodification.com. I really appreciate your support. Thanks so much to those of you who have subscribed to the channel, who've joined our Facebook groups. Your support is wonderful, and I look forward to seeing you in our upcoming classes. I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye, everyone. Hope to see you again soon.